Welcome to day 2 of 14 days, 14 features with Flybase. Today we're introducing reports. Neil, here's something we kept hearing from enterprise teams. They're drowning in their own data. These operations are running 24/7, generating massive amounts of flight data.
We're talking 53 flights, 18 plus hours, 50 plus files in just one shift.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
But then what happens? Someone has to sit down and manually compile all of this into reports for compliance, handovers, stakeholder updates. Hours and hours of work just to document what actually happened.
Right. And think about what that actually looks like. You've got a security team that has just completed a night shift. Maybe they even spotted a few incidents, captured evidence, coordinated responses. Now, instead of going home, someone is staying behind for 2 or more hours just to piece together timestamps, pull the right media, write up observations. Or during a fire incident, they've got the footage, the GPS coordinates, the timeline, but getting that info into a format that insurance or regulatory bodies will accept, that's a whole separate job.
This isn't value add work. This is just documentation overhead. Teams are spending 80% of their post flight time on paperwork instead of analyzing what they found or planning what their next move could be.
So reports automates this entire workflow. You select your flights, whether it's a single incident or an entire shift, and the system will pull everything automatically. Flight logs, timestamps, media files, GPS coordinates. But here's the key part. You can add observations directly on the captured media. So when you spot that issue with your transformer or security breach, you annotate it right then and there on the image, and it becomes a part of your audit day.
Absolutely. We're seeing teams go from flight completion to stakeholder documentation in minutes instead of hours. Just to give you a sneak peek, security and inspection teams can now generate automated weekly shift reports in real time. Emergency response teams are getting fire incident documentation with timestamp evidence in just a few minutes. Infrastructure teams can capture asset vulnerabilities with annotated images and have maintenance teams dispatched the same day. That's the difference between actionable intelligence and buried data.
Alright, that's it for day 2. If you're tired of spending hours on documentation and want to get back to real operational work, we've got the solution. Try it out now and let us know how it works for you.